On the savanna plains, lions lie hidden in the tall grass, their eyes fixed on the herd of wildebeest. A lioness creeps closer, every paw silent, every muscle locked in patience. Suddenly, the charge. Lions erupt from cover, the herd explodes in a thunderous stampede. Dust fills the air, hooves pound the earth. But one wildebeest refuses to flee. It lowers its horns, clashing with the king of beasts in a brutal fight for survival. Does courage save the herd, or does the lion's power bring it down? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like, share this wild chase, and subscribe to PD Wild Truth for more epic animal battles.